Ana Munoz, Journal 1, 616. How do I feel about the current role as administrator and how it relates to the standards? I think it helped me with 1.1 to develop, articulate, and input a vision. I also think it helped me with 1.2 with collecting data. I like to ask staff members to keep some data. For example, we record parent phone calls on spreadsheets, so student's name, the date, the time, simple line of what was discussed. I had a staff member make over 50 calls, but it explained the great classroom management. They did awesome. And I want to reward them with the staff badge recognition for CP2. According to the assignment tab, I don't know about CP3 of a flipped professional development looks interesting. I'll have to find out more. So I'm going to ask my classmates for an idea. Overall, I like the idea of coaching conversations on CP1. I always like to be coached and coach others, but that's how we learn. I hate the term critical feedback or harsh evaluations. I'd rather keep coaching a new teacher or staff so they fully understand the standards and visions. But let's be honest, things take time to learn and master. Also, I like the idea of CP2, staff recognition badging. I pride myself on constant staff recognition. The reason being is as a teacher, I often felt isolated in the past. So when I became admin, I made sure daily to find a good detail to tell a staff member, or I'd not leave till I did it. That one-a-day appreciation helps staff realize us admin really do see how hard they work to keep the students achieving great things.